Hello friends, Trisha here in the Freedom Hill Laundry Room. I was reminded last week I never filmed the final video to show the finished product of our laundry room. And I'm sorry about that, but the reason is we had to wait a year to put in the floor, just budget and time constraints. So by the time we put in the floor, a year had gone by and I completely forgot to video the final reveal. So here we are. You can see the beautiful shiny floor. This is a large tile. It shines as though it's wet all the time. I think it's just gorgeous. And my husband installed it, did a fantastic job. So there's our new floor. We use this corner for our overflow refrigerator and a small chest freezer, which I jokingly call the ice cream freezer because we need a lot of ice cream in this house, so we keep most of it in that freezer. And then this corner is perfect for my vacuum cleaner. That's an exterior door that goes out to the backyard. Of course, the washer and dryer. I keep this ironing pad on top of the dryer, number one, because if somebody set the basket up there, it was scratching the dryer. And number two, if we need to press something real quick, it's there. So we put shelves at the top, well, one shelf, a long shelf, with a hanging bar. Now, clearly we don't use all the hanging bar because it's over the washer and dryer, but we do have space, has some extra hangers here for the kids. And then down here is where I hang things that need to be hung up right after they come out of the dryer. We have access to the water shutoffs, nice and neat space for the washer hookup, for the water hookups, nice neat space for the dryer vent. And then I put some decorative signs up. We have plenty of space to keep our washing supplies. These shelves are built in. Now I have packed up most of them because we are moving, but I thought I'd give you, I think I gave a tour of the shelves, but this is what they look like now. Just the bare essentials, what we're using. Even under there I have a couple of bins. And then down here is the perfect spot to keep our baskets. And we have our trash can and just a few random odds and ends. It's like a utility room as well as a laundry room. So I love the space. It's easy to work in, it's roomy. And I also use the top of the dryer for folding sometimes. Our kitties' food is down there. Jenny and Winston. So there you have it, the final view of our new laundry room. Here's a view from the other side. It's just a beautiful space, and we love it. Thank you for coming along on this little laundry room trek. And I also wanted to show you the ceiling, which I neglected for a minute to share. Let me walk over here and show you. The ceiling is all new, and we have, you know, the plates for access and all that sort of thing. So we did paint the entire room yellow. There's some storage stuff over there getting ready to be moved. But yeah, the ceiling is all new. It's beautiful. We love it and it adds to the room. Hello, Winston.